Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. So I had a whoopsie with it, and I burned out the tail motor. I guess that got jammed, so I had to put a new tail motor on my little Hueys here, and it also incurred some other damage, I guess. So let's see how well it flies today. I don't know. I did a bunch of repairs. Fortunately, I had an old dead one that I could work with for parts. Yeah. Well, greetings, one and all. Well, yeah. So it's got a little bit of a problem with the swash. Oh, wait. That's because I didn't set it up for that. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I did have to replace one of the arms on the swash plate, and it might not be the right length. Looks like, well, actually, it's doing okay. There's a little bit of a breeze from that direction. I'm not gonna fault that too much. Huey, oh, it's looking good. Sounds good. Well, I guess that cured what ailed it. Ale. What the ale? Well, anyway, greetings, one and all. Happy Saturday. We're somewhere in the depths of February, about to turn into March. And what's today? The 28th? Something like that? Hey, 28th. Yeah, see, the optical flow wants to hold it, so there you go. All right. Success. Oh well, Alex, howdy doody. Helicopter vid for you. There you go. Proprietary batteries. Watch out. Look out. It's not a K170. No. It's about the same size. Captain Crunch. Cynthia. Gretchen. This one's for Khan. The Chopper Queen. Oh, RC Playtime's got one with a similar model and a very cool livery. Well, I guess Brian got one too. Brian, congrats on that. I saw that. Kind of looked like a wolf attacked it, and it scratch marks in wild blue colors. Maybe it loses altitude in the turns. Hi, cutie. Hughes. Oh, Hughes. Gibson, what are you doing, boy? You were so excited to come out, and now you're just hanging by the door? Go down here. It's not raining, but I feel little tiny dewdrops. It's the dewdrop in. Maybe that's it. Lake's coming back big time. My boat floated 2 days ago for the first time since the drawdown. So that's kind of a big event when it comes off of the lift. It starts moving about on its own. It means soon I'll be on it. Yeah. And maybe today, 67 degrees is what we're predicted to have. That, my plinking zone down there. Plink. Yeah, it's good to see the water back. Whoa, what was that? Optical flow issues? I'll be doing that near the water. You make me nervous, girl. Hey, settle down. Neighbors are still working on their big project next door over there. They're trenching out on the other side of that fence, putting in a retaining wall. A lot of work. This guy's been at it now for going on 2 weeks. Huey. Well, it's a fun little helo when it's working. I've been kind of hard on it. I fixed the skid. I broke a skid on it on one side, and I fixed that with a piece of shrink wrap. A little black shrink wrap on the arm where it broke, and you can't even tell. I wouldn't even try to get parts for it. I don't know that I could. I have to use the parts I have on hand. So, my little stepping for fetch it. Boy, this stuff's coming in thick back here. May actually have to mow, which would be a good thing. I can probably pick up a lot of brass back here if I drop the grass level down a little bit. Thinking about reloading some 9, just to be able to do my own subsonic rounds. The suppressor on the 22 is just crazy. The suppressed 22 is quieter than my Sheridan Blue Streak, my air rifle. It sounds like you're spitting in a platoon. You kind of go ding when it hits the dinger. It's loud. Unbelievable. This is great. So I'm not going to bother anybody with that thing. The 9s are a little bit more problematic, especially the Glock, because fucking Glocks, I don't know. Some marketing bullshit. Glocks are marketing. That bouncy barrel does not like a suppressor. Gosh. 20, 19, 18. Oh. 16, 15, 14, alrighty. Well, that was 7, folks. Oof, what was that? I got optical flow issues with this thing, I think. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Well, it sits with authority. There you go. Well, cheers, everybody. Happy Saturday. Keep your powder dry.